Today we're going to be hooking up a Ring Chime Pro Wi-Fi extender. Keep watching our video, we'll show you how I do that. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hook up a Ring Chime Pro Wi-Fi extender. This is for your Ring applications such as your Floodlight cam, your camera, your Ring Pro doorbell camera, or any of the doorbell cameras from Ring. This also works with other devices as well, but I'm just going to be installing this because I'm going to be hooking up a Floodlight cam and the Wi-Fi will not reach the front of the driveway. So therefore, I already know I'm going to use one of these. I need it, so I'm going to just go ahead and take you through the process, get this open, plug it in, and actually hook it up on my phone. So the first thing, I'm just going to get this out of the box. Okay. And it's quite simple. It's just the, here we have the Ring. This is your Chime, the Wi-Fi extender, and of course we got instructions in there. So really, it's nothing much to it. I'm just going to go ahead and install it by the wall, close to the door where I want to install it, where I know it's going to send the signal to the Floodlight cam. So watch the next step, and we'll show you how we do this. Okay, so right now I'm at the location where I want to install the Ring Chime. But before you do that, it's important to download the Ring app off of the Google Play Store, because you're going to be needing that to set up your devices, which I actually am going to do. I've already got the Ring app already installed on my phone, so you definitely have to do that first to get this app going. So if you just look at my phone, I'm just going to open up the Ring app now. So here I don't have anything set up currently on my device or even in the app. So this is going to be the very first device that I'm actually going to be installing. So there's a button here, it says Setup Device. Okay, so we have a list. There's doorbells, security cams, chimes. So we're going to go to chimes. And Chime is the door chime, and Chime Pro is what I have. That's with the Wi-Fi extender, so that's what I'm going to pick. So I'm going to select Chime Pro. Okay, so here it's telling me plug Chime Pro into the standard wall outlet. Okay, so I'm going to take the Chime here now and just plug that in. Okay, so that's plugged in. I'm going to tap Continue. Okay, would you like to name this Chime Pro? Okay, and let's just go, we'll go hallway now. Allow Ring to access your device location. Allow. Okay, we're going to confirm. Actually, we're going to enter the address in. Please wait for Ring logo to pulse slowly. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the Ring logo is indeed flashing. If you can see that. So that is that's good. We're going to hit continue. Okay. The pulsating light on the front of your Chime Pro means it is ready to connect. Okay. The Ring app is now talking. Okay, which Wi-Fi network? We're going to pick our network. Okay, I gotta enter the password. Restoring your phone's internet connection. Okay. Your Chime Pro is now connected to my network. Okay. Just another moment. Congratulations. Setup is now complete. On the next screen, you'll select the Ring devices you want to associate with the Chime Pro. There we go, and that's all. That's all to it. Okay, so that's all it takes. The next step, you'll just have to connect your Floodlight cam, your doorbell, whatever you have, whatever Ring product you need to connect to this device, and you'll go through the app to set up that as well. So that's it for this. It's a simple video today. Just want to thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to share the video, like our video, comment, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, turn notifications on, and leave a comment. Ask us anything you'd like us to do, or if you have any comments, please leave that down below in the comment section. Until then, thanks for watching. JeffLepard.com. We'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.